Karim had always found solace in the Quran, its verses providing a sanctuary of peace amidst life's bustling chaos. As a young boy, his grandmother would recite passages to him, her melodic voice weaving tales of prophets and divine wisdom. These early memories planted a deep-seated reverence for the holy book in his heart. Karim's early connection with the Quran was one of comfort and security. But as he grew older, his relationship with the text began to evolve. Seeking to deepen his understanding, he embarked on a spiritual journey, enrolling in classes and engaging in discussions with scholars. One verse that particularly captivated him was Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 286. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. This verse became a cornerstone in Karim's life, a reminder of resilience and divine wisdom in times of adversity. As he delved deeper into the Quran, Karim began to appreciate its literary beauty. The poetic structure, the use of metaphor and allegory, and the rhythmic cadences all combined to create a text that was not only spiritually profound, but also aesthetically mesmerizing. The Quran's eloquence was a testament to its divine origin, a reflection of the perfect creator who bestowed it upon humankind. However, Karim's faith was soon put to the test. He faced a significant professional setback, one that shook his confidence and tempted him to stray from his spiritual path. During this challenging period, he met Imran, a colleague with a starkly different interpretation of the Quran. Imran viewed the text through a strictly legalistic lens, focusing on the rules and regulations rather than the spiritual and poetic dimensions Karim cherished. Their discussions were intense and often heated, but they pushed Karim to explore the philosophical themes of revelation and divine guidance further. He began to ponder the Quran's historical context, recognizing how it addressed the cultural and societal issues of its time. While offering timeless wisdom, Karim's struggles and debates with Imran ultimately strengthened his faith. He realized that the Quran's multifaceted nature was what made it truly miraculous. It was a guide for all aspects of life, adaptable to different perspectives and circumstances. Karim's journey with the Quran was far from over. It continued to shape his life and the lives of those around him, illuminating his path with its divine light.